Are you fluent in Spanish and passionate about providing exceptional customer service? Join our team at Patrique Mercier Recruitment as a Spanish-speaking client service agent in beautiful Crete, Greece. We are a leading recruitment agency offering a unique opportunity with free accommodation, full relocation package, and a supportive work environment. Patrique Mercier Recruitment is a renowned recruitment agency specializing in connecting talented individuals with top-notch job opportunities. Our company is committed to providing excellent services to both candidates and clients. With a focus on building strong relationships, we strive to create successful matches that benefit all parties involved. As a Spanish-speaking client service agent, you will be responsible for delivering outstanding customer support to our Spanish-speaking clients. Your primary tasks will include handling incoming inquiries via phone, email, and chat in a professional and timely manner, assisting clients with product information, order processing, and issue resolution, providing exceptional customer service and building strong relationships with clients, ensuring accurate and up-to-date documentation of client interactions in our CRM system, collaborating with cross-functional teams to resolve complex client issues. Requirements: fluent in Spanish, written and spoken, to effectively communicate with Spanish-speaking clients. Proficient in English to ensure smooth communication within the international team. Prior experience in customer service or a similar role is preferred. Strong problem-solving skills and ability to think on your feet. Excellent interpersonal and communication skills. Detail-oriented with the ability to multitask and prioritize workload. Flexibility to work in a fast-paced environment and adapt to changing priorities. Perks and benefits: free accommodation provided for the duration of your employment with us. Full relocation package, including flight and transfer assistance. Competitive salary and attractive benefits package. Opportunity to work in a diverse and dynamic team. Professional growth and development opportunities within the company. If you are enthusiastic about delivering exceptional customer service, fluent in Spanish and English, and excited to work in the picturesque surroundings of Crete, Greece, we would love to hear from you. Join our team at Patrique Mercier Recruitment and embark on a rewarding career where your language skills and passion for customer service will shine. We look forward to welcoming you to our vibrant work environment in Crete, Greece. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for further steps in the recruitment process.